You hear about AI all the time. Today, we're cutting through the hype.
So, is AI this super brain from the movies that's going to take over the world?
Well, spoiler, not at all. It's really just a tool that mimics specific human tasks. So, how does it work? Well, it's not really thinking, it's just a powerful next word predictor.
For instance, it calculates that sofa is just way more likely to come next than math.
And this simple idea, it's the single most important secret to getting great results from AI. That secret is your prompt. It's the only instruction the AI has to go on. Think of it like ordering at a restaurant. A vague request gets a pretty confusing result, but a super detailed order, you get exactly what you want. It's the same with AI. Okay, let's break it down. Here's a simple 4-part formula for writing awesome prompts. First up, assign a role. Tell the AI to act like an expert, say a business consultant. Second, you gotta provide context. Who are you? What's your goal? The more details, the better. Third, get specific with the task. Ask for like 3 bullet points or a 150-word paragraph. And fourth, define the format. Tell it you want the answer as a table or an email. Okay, but there's one huge mistake to avoid. Do not trust it blindly. AI can just invent stuff. It's called hallucinating. So the crucial point is to always verify important info. And that brings us back to the main point. The real power here isn't the AI, it's you. You're the one in control. So now that you have the key, what are you going to ask first?